Want to program a new or replacement key fob for your 2008-2010 Chevy Express, 1500, 2500, or 3500 series? It's a straightforward DIY task. These vans use GM's OnStar-compatible remote entry system. You can save money by doing it yourself instead of going to the dealership. Make sure you have a compatible key fob, OEM or aftermarket, matching the 314 MHz frequency, like AC Delco part numbers 1592515 or 22754906, and your vehicle keys. The basic process involves using a working key, cycling the ignition, and pressing buttons on the fob. Note, improper programming can trigger the anti-theft system, so follow instructions carefully. Insert your existing working key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine, then back to off rapidly. Repeat this cycle 10 times. The vehicle should then enter programming mode. It might chime or make a similar sound. Next, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously on the new key fob for about 10 to 15 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm successful programming. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat the button press step for each. Patience is key. Rushing can overload the BCM. If you're having trouble, double-check fob battery voltage, as low voltage can mimic a dead fob.